Okay, hi everybody. So in this video here, what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this expression here, and we're going to start off by factoring. Okay. Now, it might not be immediately obvious that the c cubed plus 8 is factorable, but there is a, a kind of a method of factoring here, or a pattern of factoring, I should say, where if you've got a cubed plus or minus, let's say, b cubed, that can be broken down into cube root plus or minus cube root multiplied by the a squared. Now, minus plus, the signs differ, ab, and then it's going to be plus b squared. That's the pattern that we're going to follow here. So in this numerator, the c cubed plus 8, the cube root of c cubed is going to be c. This will be plus the cube root of 8 is 2. And then the rest of the pattern tells me that I'm going to square the c, so it's going to be c squared. I'm going to change the sign, minus 2c, plus, then I'm going to square the secondary term there, which is going to be 4. There you go. This is all going to be over c squared minus 4. Well, that's just a, whoops, sorry, that's a difference of squares. Oh, I lost my, oh, now it's not coming through here. So it's going to be c plus 2, and then c minus 2. It'll come back in just a second here. I don't know why the machine sometimes takes a moment to think about that. Anyway, and then over here, I'm going to have divided by, and we'll leave this as division for right now. Okay. My numerator is going to be c squared minus 2c plus 4. Now, it turns out I can't factor that. Now, I'm going to double check here. I'm going to check the discriminant on this one. Okay, I'm going to come down here and check the discriminant, the b squared minus 4ac, just to show you here. And when you do that, you're going to take negative 2 squared minus 4 times a times c. That's going to be 4 minus 16, or negative 12. When the discriminant is negative like that, I, I'm not going to be able to factor that and break that apart into anything that's going to give me any real roots. So that's fine. I can leave it like that. My denominator, on the other hand, though, is going to be, oops, oh boy, it's going to be c minus 2 times c minus 2. That is a perfect square trinomial. Now, we'll do a little bit of canceling here. I know that the c plus 2 is going to cancel here. Then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So this will end up being c minus 2 in the numerator, all over c squared minus 2c plus 4. And notice that the c squared minus 2c plus 4 is going to cancel. I'm also going to get one of the c minus 2's canceling. And so the only thing I have left here is this c minus 2 in the numerator. But I do need to state the non-permissibles that have popped up here. I canceled out a c plus 2 in a denominator, so I know that c can't equal negative 2. Okay, if it does, it causes this to go to 0, which makes it undefined. I also know that when I canceled that c minus 2, that c can't equal positive 2. Okay, that's going to cause this to be undefined. Now, in addition, I canceled out this c squared minus 2c plus 4, but we've already established when we looked at the discriminant here that it wasn't going to go to 0, not in a way that produces a real root here. So there really are no restrictions coming from that. My final answer is that c minus 2 with those two restrictions.